Hi everyone, I'm here with Online Tech Guide and I'm here with another video. So today I will explain how to zip a file. So basically we used to zip a file to compress the size of the file. So we need a separate software or application in order to zip your file. And it's called WinRAR, which is very popular and very small in size, and will take a few seconds to download and complete the whole installation process. So first I will download this software, then I will zip one particular file, and I will show you that the whole process. So okay, so you just choose your language or your country. Okay, so zipping allows you to compress the file. Let me give you an example. Suppose you are trying to send an email file which is worth 12 MB to your friend, but when you try to upload file, it will take a lots of time. So once you zip the file, it will drop on like 4 to 5 MB. So comparing 10 to 12 MB to 4 to 5 MB, it will upload very quickly. It could be uploaded very quickly. So that's the part of zipping. That's what zip allows to do us. So it's reduced the whole file size. So download is completed and I'm just opening this downloaded file and my screen is blinking. Maybe it's because insufficient RAM in my system, or I think just WinRAR is playing with my PC. Alright, so I'll wait. Okay, here it is. I clicked on install and it is happening, and I'm almost at the end of installation, I think. Okay, so here we are done. Alright, so WinRAR is installed and it's just showing me that my PC is 64-bit version and it installed like 32-bit. So in some of I think on Windows, Microsoft Windows, there is a default program for zipping as well. So this is the file that I'm trying to send it on email, and I'll just zip it. So here's the option which is add to archive. It will prepare a zip file, so I can select the archive format, RAR, zip, RAR. So I said just select the zip, and I'll modify and arrange other basic settings as well. Even I can lock the folder by using password as well. So where is advanced options, then files. This is the directory just where you can, and this is the backup where you are going to put your backup, or you can write a comment as well along with the file. So let's just click on OK to compress this whole file. Yeah, it is compressed. You can see this tvacancy.psp.zip. So this is done. Anyway, thank you very much for watching.